All right. Good evening and thank you for joining me. Let me not waste your time and let's get right into it. My name is Aaron Tatena Mtranga and I am presenting and welcoming you to the WhatsApp AI chatbot for Michael Stravo, who is a Rawson property agent, group agent. So this AI agent is very smart and intended to help your business, as you can see from the picture, automatically booking appointments, answering lead questions, and ultimately giving you a happy lead. So we are going to cover four things today, which is never miss a lead, focus on how the AI is going to focus on high intent clients and how the AI is going to know your listings, and we're also going to focus on how the AI does effortless booking. So all this is going to be covered in this short video, so let's get right into it. So on my left here, I'll just zoom in. This is a WhatsApp, and as you can see, this is WhatsApp, and this is a demo for, as you can see here. Let me just zoom in. It's a demo for Microstravo. So okay, almost there. Let me just expand here. So this is a demo WhatsApp. So what we're going to do here, we want to set a booking on Google Calendar, and we want to search these properties. So these properties are actually coming from Microstravo's portfolio on the Rawson agents on the actual website. So these are his listings. Yes, 20 pages, I think. So there's many houses to cover. For the purpose of this demo, we are only going to, I've extracted the first page listings, and this is all the listings here in this Google Sheet. So the AI is going to read from the Google Sheet. There is, however, a possibility, if you guys are willing, we can link it directly to your website and then it reads information from your website. So what the AI is going to do is going to read all these properties here. So for example, we're going to do we'll keep it short. I'll do one booking. So I'll try to book this 3-bedroom house in Laos. I hope you can all see this one. I'll get into it. Property details. So this is the house that we'll be booking for. It's 1.2 million if we're rounding it off, and very nice house. You know, these are all the information. 3-bedroom, spacious, with the swimming pool even in Laos. So we're going to book for this house, and then let's just see, is it in here? So yeah, here it is. This is the house, 3-bedroom. So you will see that there are certain there are certain, sorry, I just have to minimize, I can't see. So when you just please follow my cursor. So there are many different tabs here. There's properties tab, there is queries tab, there is buyers tab, there is renters tab, and booking. So they are all empty for now. So this is how the AI keeps record of everything. So whenever you want to see your booking, you come to this Google Sheet or you come to the Google Calendar, and then it also extracts important buyer information like property type, the timeline, must-have features. So when it's having conversation with the person or a lead, it extracts these important features from a buyer, renter, or a seller, then it categorizes them. So without wasting any of your time, so the all queries is whereby it saves every message from every user. So it keeps track of the time, their name, which will be provided automatically here from WhatsApp. So we just extract that from WhatsApp and then we save it as that name, and then there's the message that the user says and then the AI. So we start off here by, I'll just say hi, and then we send the message. So the AI is currently running on my computer, so this is code. I'm sure you're not interested in it. So here's the message. It's processing hi. So we just come back here, and then after it processes, forgive my network, it's going to be a bit faster than this. So there we go. You see, it automatically logs your Google Sheet, the time, the name, the number, and then the message, and then there's the actual message that you send back, which is welcome to Microsoft. How can I assist you? So we'll refine the introduction, introduce more emojis. So what we can do is with this chatbot is that it can do bookings, property search, and ask for general information. So when a user asks for general information, we give it this document. As you can see here, this document is called Microsoft FQA, frequently asked questions. So we give it, for example, questions and answers. So if a lead or a user comes in and they're asking for whether a foreigner can buy property in South Africa, I'm reading here, it will give them this answer. And then when they ask who pays the estate agents commission, it gives them this answer. So we can expand this knowledge base. This is what we call a knowledge base. We can have it up to 100 pages, then the AI can just read. So this will be unique for each and every agent. So this is what I assumed the frequently asked questions for Microsoft are. So here, like we have another one. What is the mandate when selling a property? So the AI will come and read here. So we're just going to copy this question here, and then we'll ask the AI, like, what is the role of an estate agent, right? And then it will process it. This is how it processes it. This is the code, guys. So it sees that it's a generalist question, and then now it's processing it. It logs it, and then you see, and then it's gonna come back with the answer for us. So there is the answer. You see, so when you come to your document, this will be the same answer from here. So sorry for that. So it's possible. So it can actually see what's going on. So we can give it this one, the who pays the agent estate, but then sorry for that. So coming back here, it's keeping track on the Google Sheet. Sorry, this video is just going to be about 20 minutes long. So there we go. So ask it who pay agent commission. So let's just put, I know there's a wrong English, but I just want to prove that the agent actually understands context. So it's processing. I don't have to show you the thinking process of the AI, which is here. It does think. So then it logs everything. So we'll pay this. So then it gives a simple answer. The seller pays the agent's commission. So it just summarized. So okay. Then we say now we can actually get into property searching. Then we are doing show me houses in Flamewood. So we want to book this house. We haven't forgotten. So but now I just want to search different houses, see if it actually gets. So yeah, then it has logged on the Google Sheet. We're just waiting for the WhatsApp. So it is, so there we go. It shows us there's only one room in Flamewood, which is this one. And amazing, when we come here on our Google Sheet, where when we look for H21, it is the one in Flamewood, you see. So that's amazing. I'm sure there's only one house in Flamewood. If there were many, it would search, right? So let's get some houses in Marines Park. Can you show Marine Park house? So just look at the spelling here. If you live in Clexop, you'd know that it's a typo, but the AI understands. And then when we come here, you see it's already logged, and then it found one, and then there we go. It found this house for 995. So when we come here, we want to see a house in Marines Park. There is a 3-bedroom house which is H017. So you cannot make this up. This is in real time. So it reads the Google Sheet, guys. This is very, very important. So we want to buy this house in Laof. So as we can see, the queries is working. That's great. So we want to see whether it can recognize if somebody wants to sell. So let's say it says, you just say, now you're just switching the conversation during search, and then you say, I want to sell my house in Steel Fontaine. Can you help? So when you send that, obviously we have discovered that the all queries is gonna search, but it's gonna take a bit of time now because it's actually detecting. So let me show. Oh, there we go. Thank you for providing those details, and dedicated specialists will be in touch. You see, so it has logged in everything. There we go. It has logged in everything on the sellers. It's very important on the seller, so it knows that this person is a seller, and then it even gives you a note, and then it says clients wants to sell their house, no other details were provided yet. So this is groundbreaking. You can now look at the time right now. The time is 10:33. It can do this anytime, 24/7. This is what's important. And then it keeps notes, and then you say, okay, I want to sell, let's just give it more. I want to sell my house for 1.3 million. We're just giving it more information, and then we'll see how the AI renders it. So when you come here, it's extracting the response, it's extracting everything, it's updating the lead capture. It knows exactly what to do, and then we can train it even more according to your wishes and your strategy. So it should update. We'll get an update here. There should be to connect you. Tell me the suburb is Steel Fontaine. So it's a bit confused, the story for that. Yes, it's Steel Fontaine. So now it wants the. So we just have to improve the memory. So there we go. House 1.3 million, and then it's gonna come. It's gonna come. So we just have to train it. So, but then the most important thing is that it's extracting the most important things here. And then now there's just a bit of error because, but we can refine this. It's showing us houses in Steel Fontaine, but it has successfully captured this person, and you can go into your Google Sheet, and it's 2 a.m. You can just go in and continue the conversation, but with more training, it can be precise. So let's see. Okay, it's fine. It's giving us, now let's just say I want to buy a house, and most importantly, just to close off, it did say an agent will be in touch. So the owners will be on the agent to read the Google Sheet, see that there's a seller coming in. So when we come here, it says, we said I want to buy a house. So when we come on our buyer sheet, yeah, I want to buy a house buy a house. Sorry for that. House. About, I'll just say about 500k so that we don't give it too much difficult. 500k in Clickstop. In Clickstop, and then the AI is there. It saves the thing. So when we come here, you see, so when you come to the buyer sheet, it says we wants to buy a house, and then it's gonna make some notes, just give it time, it's gonna talk to the, then it just shows us anywhere in Clickstop. It's just showing us in Orkney, Stilfontein, so it's trying to push houses. So okay, so now we're actually going to do the booking. The booking is the calendar is empty. So today is the 15th. We'll try to book for the 16th and the 17th. So there's no bookings here when we are trying to book for this house. So sorry it took so long for us to get here, but we are here. So we want to buy a house in Laos. So we'll just tell the robot that I want a house in Laos. You see, then it will go through the database with. So the amazing thing about this database is that you can just add the house and then it will automatically read. So we can add up to 300 houses per sheet. So we can have 6 sheets. So don't worry about how many houses you actually have on your database. So there we go. There is the 1.1 house. So when we click on the link, let's see. So it's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. Let's actually see if it knows. So okay. I didn't extract the data properly, but it brings us to this house, which is the same house. So I'll fix the database. I was in a hurry just to show you guys the demo. So there we go. You can close this tab. So just to confirm, we close it, we click here. I'm on WhatsApp. We click here on the view listing property. Actually see, this will be the user journey. They see, okay, this is a nice house. They go inside it, nice pictures. Like, okay, there's also a 3D tour, which is amazing. So the nice thing about this chatbot, we can even also put it on the website. So okay, so let's go into booking. So if you want to see more booking, if you want to see more details of booking, just reply with example, then it gives you here, or refine your search, show more. You see if it, so it doesn't assume that it gets things right. So let's get booking. I want to book, so let's give it, so it accept. So we can, in the future, we can use this web reference that you guys have, but for the sake of the demo, we're just using the property ID as H009, and I know we should be using this, but for the sake of the demo, please do accept it. I want to book with H099. So look at the time. This it's the AI is efficient. The AI is efficient because it's always there. It's always waiting. So it says, "Hi, attender, to book a viewing, please provide a time and a date." And then there's the example. And then so this AI is so smart. It understands tomorrow, next week. So we'll try to book for tomorrow. So just say, wait, what are we trying to do? Let's book for Thursday on the 17th. Can I? So we just say Thursday at 5 p.m. So this is the general availability time. So we can change it according to your specifications, and it actually reads whether you are busy or not. So there we go. To confirm your appointment on this property, or these are the things that I have to confirm. Is this your contact number? It automatically takes it from WhatsApp, and then time. No, I said Thursday. It doesn't understand Thursday. It's not Friday. Thursday at Maybe what's going on? Let's change 4 p.m. Okay, but it remembers the house, which is H009. Okay, I don't know what happened there. It just, so yeah, so I don't know what happened, but finally it got it right. Thursday, 4 p.m. Okay, it was cancelled, so I'll just say yes. I'll have to check why it did that. It shouldn't even do this. But we'll just say yes, and then we'll see whether on the 17th at 4 p.m. There we go. You can't make this up. So on your calendar, on your Google Calendar, it comes in. We know the client name, the number, the property ID, and then when you come here on the site, the link, it gives us the same house, 3-bedroom in Lahore, which is the same house as this one. This is exactly what we want. And look at the time, it's almost 11. This AI chatbot is always there for your company. So what did we cover today? We covered that the AI agent never misses a lead. We covered that it focuses on high intent. It actually captures what the AI wants, and we covered that the AI knows your listings and it does effortless booking. So this is just the recap. What's going on here is that the WhatsApp is combined with intelligence, which is OpenAI, your ChatGPT, Gemini, and then this AI, it closes more deals on autopilot. It closes your deals on autopilot. How does it do that? It does that by combining with tools, various tools like your Google, your we can combine it so many things, but then this was just the 5% of what AI can do. Then it attracts and then it keeps track of every lead query and request. It does effortless property searching. It does appointment setting on Google Calendar. It keeps tracks of your calendar before setting. So if you're actually busy, it will say, no, that's a busy time for my agent. And then it saves every message and user intent on Google Sheet. So what is actually happening here is that I am offering my services. I want to work with Rawson Properties and Microsoft to experiment on these AI agents. So I'm offering for free this AI agent until you guys see a result. So what do you actually get out of this? You get free research and implementation techniques on the latest AI technologies. So what we have here is that we have property search recommendations, which are automatic. We have automated lead gen, and then we have automated property management. This is all through virtual assistant and chatbots. We can also streamline property valuation and pricing. The seller just sends you pictures and then the AI analyzes everything. We teach it to have enhanced predictions and investment strategies. So there's a lot we can do with AI. So we need to experiment with these AI applications in real estate. And ultimately, AI is not here to replace the agent, but it is here to be a partner. So AI is here to be a partner, and we need to speed up real estate transactions by closing more deals. So improve search and recommendations. So this chatbot can be more advanced than what you've seen. So what I want from this is to gain more experience with AI chatbots, and I want to also have industry insight to be one of the industry leaders in real estate automation. So this will be beneficial for the both of us. You get free research and implementation techniques. You get a clue of what's happening, and you don't have to worry about catching up. So there's many applications to this. This is not the beginning and this is not the end. This AI agent is not the end. So please do consider my offer, and I'm willing to work. I'm ready to work with you guys, and hope to see you soon. Thank you if you made it this far. I really appreciate it. The last thing you can do is to leave a like and go to my website. The link will be in the description and also on my WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm very excited to show the world. So I'll be dropping more AI automations. This is just the beginning. We can do automated posting, automated content creation, but most importantly, we need to focus on, just streamlining property automation together. Thank you very much for your time, Rawson Properties, and respect.